Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that might just change the way you think about your daily medication. You see, identifying counterfeit drugs could be simpler than you'd imagine, thanks to a clever technique called disintegration fingerprinting. Now, I know what you're thinking, pills? Really? But bear with me, because this is a game changer for ensuring the safety of your health. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the issue at hand. When you pop a pill, you're essentially trusting the manufacturer to deliver the correct active ingredients in the right dosage. But in our world where counterfeits are a real concern, that trust can be a risky bet. Traditionally, checking for counterfeit pills has required expensive lab equipment like gas chromatography. But here's where things get interesting: disintegration fingerprinting comes to the rescue. This technique is delightfully simple and surprisingly effective. All you need is a clear plastic cup, a stir plate, and a handful of electronic components. The microcontroller, servo, and IR line following sensor work together to create a disintegration fingerprint (DF) as the pill breaks up and dissolves in water. And guess what? It's incredibly accurate. Out of 32 different drug products, the technique worked on 90% of them, and it even distinguished between generic and brand name versions of the same drug. Now that's what I call a breakthrough. But wait, there's a catch. You do need a known good sample to generate a trustworthy fingerprint, and there's that pesky 10% of products the technique doesn't work on. Still, this seems like a fantastic solution for adding some last-mile QA/QC to the drug distribution chain, especially in low- and middle-income countries where counterfeit drugs are a major issue. Imagine the impact this could have on global health. Now, you might be wondering, why is this important? Well, in my opinion, it's about empowering individuals to take control of their health. With this technique, people can quickly and easily check the authenticity of their medication, ensuring they're getting what they paid for. And that, my friends, is a game changer. So what do you think? Is this the future of drug safety? Personally, I think it's a brilliant step towards a healthier, more informed world. What's your take on it? Let me know in the comments below.